Hello, this is Kumar back in this channel at Sai Madi GM after a brief sabbatical. Today I'm going to really talk about a very interesting topic, artificial intelligence and its impact. Globally, artificial intelligence have spearheaded many transformation across many industry sectors. Today I'm going to just briefly talk about a future of work through artificial intelligence enabled innovations. Go on, listen in, and let me know your thoughts as well. Globally, businesses have benefited from technological innovations which has accelerated the pace of organizational change. Yet, for digital innovation to deliver long term value, it must become embedded in the core enterprise DNA. Several themes, models have already been implemented successfully in the past years, like business model innovation, digital engagement, advanced analytics, and now artificial intelligence, automation, machine learning, and robotics. Data and artificial intelligence can potentially transform the way we discover and develop new technology, transforming yesterday's thought process into today's reality, and enable the translation of innovation into viable commercial technology. The fusion of AI and data are shifting paradigms in many industries like healthcare, banking, financial services, retail, and insurance. It is time for organizations to embrace and strategize to handle these advances. Advances in artificial intelligence has enabled algorithms, machine learning to assist humans in operations, but the task is still led by humans, and the final decision making rests with humans. As we say, the final word rests with all of us, human beings. AI innovations have enabled technology to replace humans on many functions, from data collection and analysis down to the final decision making. Currently, within traditional industries or the so called brick and mortars, a lot of tasks are achieved by humans. Gathering data information, analyzing this data by running a model or just by using personal experience, making a decision, and then the last best action. Artificial intelligence enables most of the innovation that dominate current conversations about the future of work. This continuous growing transformation can be explained by the numerous innovations propelled by artificial intelligence in some major industrial functions. I'm going to be really talking about some of the industrial functions and then talk about what industry impacts artificial intelligence innovations have done till to date. Operational efficiency or intelligent automation. Unlike traditional automation solutions, artificial intelligence automates complex tasks that require adaptability, agility, and self-learning. Within operational efficiency or intelligent automation, we could classify some of the subtopics that are of interest globally. Robotic process automation, the application of technology that allows employees in a company to configure software or robots to capture and interpret existing applications for processing a transaction, manipulating data, triggering responses, and communicating with other systems. Computer vision or image recognition, analyzing images to drive information and analyze objects. Video automatic content recognition, analyzing a video sample to identify the content. Speech recognition, process clips of human speech identify the words and derive meaning from them. Speech to speech translations recognize and translate human speech from one language into another automatically. The next topic I'm going to be really talking about is robotics, human interactions. The development of artificial intelligence will progressively lead to a replacement of humans on some task levels. Gesture control, enabling interaction and communication with computers through gestures. Natural language processing, process human language input and convert it into representation. Smart robotics, build robots that can learn from their experience and act autonomously based on their environment. Context aware computing, program softwares that automatically become aware of its environment and adapts its behavior accordingly. I'm going to be a little bit talking about more subtopics within what's happening within the AI industry. Next, I'm going to be really giving a brief about chatbots and customization using artificial intelligence. One of the least discussed benefits of artificial intelligence today is the ability to propel innovation as it diffuses through the economy. Some of the key examples could be personalized recommendation engines, predicting the preference and interest of users and deliver personalized recommendations, creating chatbots, virtual assistants, programming software agents that perform everyday tasks for an individual based on feedback and commands. Autonomous vehicles, we all know about it. Still, building cars with the ability to analyze a road and obstacles and drive without a human interventions. Now I'm going to really come to the core topic of what artificial intelligence can do or potentially happening across industry segments. I'm going to blaze through some of the industry sectors like insurance, financial services, healthcare and telematics. Let me just predominantly go into the insurance sector. Today, artificial intelligence can provide significant benefits to the insurance industry in different ways. Number one, customer centricity. First of all, it can help increase customer engagement and retention. That is potentially anti-churn. The abundance of data can be used to refine the customer segmentation and provide personalized offers based on personal features, namely customer needs identification and customer engagement, client relationships, virtual agents and chatbots, sales and marketing, claims processing, predicting a customer's lifetime value, increasing customer segmentation accuracy, customer shopping patterns, optimizing a user's in-app experiences. Value-added services. Secondly, artificial intelligence can help incumbent reinsurance companies to develop value-added services for their clients. From a life perspective, the objective is to leverage intelligent data analysis to providing to the user new types of information, advice a human couldn't obtain, symptom prediction, so on and so forth. Number 4, risk analysis, underwriting or in-force management of insurance policies. Artificial intelligence can enable reinsurance companies to combine public content with private currently within traditional industries. A lot of tasks are achieved by humans. Gathering data and information, analyzing this data by running a model or just by using personal experiences, finally making a decision to generate breakthrough approaches to assess, manage and price the risk, and also the ability to ingest vast volumes of data like reports, documents, forecasts, ratings, and financial and medical histories, enabling to render meaningful insights, patterns, and confidence weighted recommendation for faster than humans can do. Furthermore, artificial intelligence will enhance risk assessment and refine pricing by analyzing more granular data. The next in the insurance industry is the back office automation. AI can allow a rapidly automating some of the current middle back office tasks and replace employees. Once implemented, the software drives operational efficiency benefits along with improvements in quality, scalability, and resiliency in a cost effective way. Enterprises can automate current tasks as if a real person was doing them across application and systems, achieving benefits similar to those of extended workforce support. Last but not least, one of the important aspects AI can deliver to the insurance industry is fraud detection. AI understands previous behavioral patterns of a customer and predicts the action he or she will make, thus flagging unusual activities with a high probability to be fraudulent. AI systems are also given real examples of fraudulent and legitimate behaviors so that the models can learn to recognize new patterns and evolve as fraudsters alter their tactics. Finally, artificial intelligence helps reduce the number of false red flags generated, thus saving time for the fraud handler. I've so far talked about many things AI can achieve within the insurance sector and the benefits artificial intelligence can provide for the insurance as a whole, as an industry, as a program. I'm now little bit going to talk about the banking sector. AI empowers banks to provide individualized, frictionless customer experiences, drive customer loyalty and profitability, and automate processes enabling automated decision making to the banking industry. AI and machine learning put together, the capabilities could either be through an easy to use interface or through APIs or application program interfaces delivered on premise, on the cloud, or as a SaaS offering, or what we call as the software as a service model. AI machine learning integration could also enable new use cases that focus on creating seamless customer journeys, on automating manual processes with self-learning capabilities. Integration of AI machine learning could give banks a real-time end-to-end smart data lake, offering higher quality and richness of data through multiple sources. This means that banks can make faster, more accurate, and explainable decisions driven by AI algorithms. As a summary, artificial intelligence could transform banks to realize its value across the entire enterprise, to provide individualized customer experience and maximize straight through processing with limited or no human intervention in all areas of the bank. In short, it impacts and benefits across the banking industry value chain, giving immense benefit to the bank's customers. I'm closing the banking topic now. I'm going to breeze through what briefly it can do to healthcare industry. We all know many innovations, many transformations using digital technologies have happened in the healthcare industry. Telemedicine, digital healthcare, home care, tertiary care. During the COVID pandemic, we have seen many digital firsts in the healthcare industry. I'm going to briefly give you some brief bullet points, of how AI can impact the healthcare industry. AI can be used to do predictive modeling to reduce drug discovery, medicinal production time. It can be used to identify eligible patients for clinical trials, diagnosing diseases and more accurately improving personalized care and assessing health risks. The next industry I'm going to be talking about is really not an industry sector, but sort of a theme: telematics. AI can really capture driving behaviors and habits as well as calculating fuel efficiency, create user experiences within vehicles, displaying information in such a way that the driver does not get distracted, create an entire connected ecosystem with data, insights, patterns, assisted operations, and predictive modeling. Last but not the least, data insights and actions by combining machine learning and data to provide insights that could help branch drive savings, optimize spend, and reduce risk using all of their relevant data. I have today, after a long time, talked about the future of work through artificial intelligence. Some key bullet points on what artificial intelligence can do to many of the industries like banking, financial services, insurance, telematics, and healthcare. Please listen through this talk, share your thoughts and views across the industry sectors of various digital innovations, transformations happening through artificial intelligence and machine learning. Thank you very much for listening in. Thank you.